Launching on the 12th of June is the IIIF150 RAPTOR. Another device that will be launching on that same day is the Ulefone Armor 21, a rugged phone with a super loud 122 decibels ambient speaker. The Armor 21 would probably be available for a very affordable price on the 12th of June, but you just have to wait and see how it goes. We will talk about the Armor 21 in a separate video. So in this video, let's explore the top features of the IIIF150 RAPTOR. So the IIIF150 RAPTOR has a unique rugged design. It is designed to be able to withstand harsh conditions and environments, but that doesn't mean that it's invincible. In terms of specs, the device features the Helio G99, which is the most powerful and efficient MediaTek 4G processor. The device also features a hole punch display with a size of 6.8 inches and a resolution of Full HD plus a 120Hz refresh rate. I believe the panel would be an IPS LCD panel, and also the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 3. The device utilizes 12GB RAM and it supports virtual RAM expansion. An additional 12GB can be taken from the device's internal storage and added as a backup to the device's original RAM. You shouldn't have to worry about using the virtual RAM expansion because the device has a really big storage, guys. A 256GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. In the camera department, the IIIF150 RAPTOR features a dual rear camera setup, including a 108MP primary camera and a 64MP night vision camera. The hole punch houses a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. I forgot to mention that the internal storage can be expanded up to 2TB using an SD card. The device is quite heavy, which is obvious. It weighs 359 grams. It is expected the device has a big battery, and the materials used to build this phone contributes to its weight. And with a thickness of 15.3mm, it's also a very thick device. Speaking of battery, the device is backed by a 10,000 mAh battery and it supports fast charging via USB Type-C. It supports up to 65 watts fast charging, which is great in my opinion. And it is also mentioned that this device supports thermal imaging. There'll be more details about that in the future, but this is basically all I know for now. So these are the top features of the IIIF150 RAPTOR. I'll keep you guys updated if I get more details about this phone. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. If you would like to share your thoughts about this rugged phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.